Hi friends, welcome back. For the given circuit we have to find current I. Here given is current through 4R resistor is 1 ampere. This are in parallel. So voltage across this 2R is 4R into 1 ampere, that is 4R volts. Okay, 4R volts, 4R volts, 4R के across, 2R के across भी 4R volts ही होना चाहिए. So 2R into I. So current is 2 ampere. So current will be 2 ampere. Again 4R resistor will be there. So current will be 1 ampere. 2 ampere and 1 ampere is 3 ampere. Okay. 3 ampere plus 1 ampere is 4 ampere. So here 4 ampere current is flowing through 3R resistor. Now simply apply KVL in this loop. So 2RI is equal to 4R plus 3R into 4, that is 12R. So 2RI is equal to 4R plus 12R is equal to 16R. So R cancel. I is equal to 8 ampere is the answer. 8 ampere is the answer.